Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Sea of Thieves run better on PC. First, let's dive into your in-game graphics settings. Reducing your resolution scaling, even by a small amount, can provide a significant frame rate boost. Also, consider disabling VSync to minimize input lag. Setting shadow and water quality to rare or common offers noticeable improvements. Finally, adjusting texture and model detail to common will ensure a much smoother gameplay experience, especially during intense moments. Next, maintaining your system is crucial. Always ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest versions. This alone can unlock significant performance. Similarly, keeping your operating system current provides stability and optimization. Before sailing the seas, close any unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. Lastly, regularly verifying your game files through your launcher can fix corrupted data, preventing unexpected performance drops and crashes. For more advanced improvements, consider your hardware. Upgrading your system's RAM to at least 16 GB can greatly enhance overall smoothness and multitasking capabilities. Installing Sea of Thieves on a solid-state drive, or SSD, will drastically reduce loading screens. If comfortable, carefully overclocking your CPU or GPU can yield extra frames. Always monitor your system temperatures to prevent thermal throttling, which can severely impact performance. Finally, let's look at network and power settings. For the most stable online experience, always use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Set your Windows power plan to high performance to ensure your system is delivering maximum power to the game. If you use a VPN or proxy, consider disabling it while playing, as these can introduce latency. Also, confirm your internet bandwidth is sufficient for smooth online gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.